Since you like my previous videos about AI trading or AI-based indicators or even asking AI to come up with a really nice trading strategy, today I was just playing around with Google Bard, which I really like nowadays and is way more better than the other chatbots out there. I came up with this amazing indicator which I want to share with you. Welcome to today's video. This is Income Nomad. I am Koray, your host. This channel is where we'll explore a powerful tool in the world of trading, the standardized SuperTrend Oscillator or SSO. This versatile tool transforms the SuperTrend indicator, offering both trend following and mean reversion capabilities for traders. But before we dive in, I really appreciate it if you just smash that like button, because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to more traders and people like you out there who are keen to know all about the messy, unknown world of trading, especially about technical analysis. Now, let's dive in. Firstly, let's understand the foundation of our discussion. The SuperTrend indicator is calculated based on the average true range or ATR and a multiplier. This indicator identifies trend directions by placing a line above or below the price. In an uptrend, the line is below the price, and in a downtrend, it's above the price. The author of this indicator used the Python script to implement the SuperTrend indicator, taking into account factors like the average true range or ATR and the multiplier. This script helps us plot the SuperTrend line on our charts. Now, let's introduce the star of our show, the standardized SuperTrend Oscillator or SSO. It's derived from the SuperTrend and the source price, calculating the standardized difference between them. This standardization is crucial. It's achieved by dividing the difference by the distance between the upper and lower bounds of the SuperTrend. This Python script for the SSO takes the source price, SuperTrend upper and lower bounds, and calculates the oscillator. This gives us a dynamic tool for understanding the market sentiment.
I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest present fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together.
Now, let's explore the components and features of the SSO and make it a robust tool for traders. We have the SuperTrend Oscillator, an additional SuperTrend based on the direction and volatility of the oscillator. Think of it as the SuperTrend of the SuperTrend, providing deeper trend analysis. Next up, the reversion tracer, an RSI of the direction of the original SuperTrend. This provides a dynamic threshold for premium and discount price areas, helping you identify potential reversal points. You also have the Heikin-Ashi transform, a smooth option to apply to source price of the oscillator. This gives you a cleaner and more visually appealing representation of trends. Choose between line mode for a standard oscillator view or candle mode, displaying the oscillator as Heikin-Ashi candles for more in-depth trend analysis. Now let's talk about signals, those crucial indicators that guide our trading decisions. Contrarian signals, based on the SuperTrend of the oscillator. These signals act as potential buy or sell indicators, highlighting potential trend exhaustion or premature reversals.
Still struggling with budget and you want to trade big numbers? Well, unlock your trading potential with FundedNext, the prop trading firm that truly understands your success in Paramount. Here's why joining us is a game changer. Firstly, enjoy an unparalleled 15% profit share, a testament to our commitment to rewarding our hard work and success. Unlike other prop firms, FundedNext delivers on the promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Bid farewell to the stress of tight deadlines. With FundedNext, there's no time limit on most challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and unleash your full potential. True trading excellence requires focus and a stress-free environment. Our unique approach to drawdown calculations sets us apart. FundedNext calculates the maximum daily drawdowns based on your account balance, ensuring a fair and reliable assessment of your trading performance. We are dedicated to being the world's most reliable prop firm, experiencing the best trading conditions in the industry with raw spreads, including in swap-free accounts and the lowest commissions. Just $3 per round lot on Forex pairs and commodities and 0% per round lot on indices. Maximize your profit potentials with our competitive pricing. At FundedNext, you're not just a trader, you're part of a family. Benefit from pro support team, experienced professionals committed to assisting you every step of the way. Your success is our focus, and personalized guidance is a cornerstone of your trading journey. Choose FundedNext today, elevate your trading experience. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Join us and unlock your trading potential. FundedNext, where your success matters. Don't hesitate to click and sign up on FundedNext down in the description or above here. This link is exclusively tailored by FundedNext for Income Nomad channel subscribers, and believe me, you're gonna be surprised.
Reversion signals generated when the oscillator crosses above or below the reversion tracer. These signals indicate potential mean reversion opportunities for trend breakouts. Now let's discuss how you can practically use this amazing oscillator in your trading strategies. Let's talk about trend analysis. Leverage the SSO as a trend following tool with the added benefits of the oscillator's SuperTrend and Heikin-Ashi transform. This gives you a comprehensive view of underlying trend regime. Speaking of valuation analysis, this utilizes the oscillator's reversion signals to identify potential mean reversion opportunities in the market. This can be a powerful tool for assessing market valuation. As we wrap up, remember that the SSO enhances the capabilities of the SuperTrend indicator, offering a balanced approach to both trend following and mean reversion strategies. Its customizable options and contrarian signals make it a valuable instrument for traders seeking comprehensive trend analysis and potential reversal signals. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy trading!